Let's do a quick overview of steps 1, 2, and 3. Step 1 will install .NET Framework 4.0. .NET Framework 4.0 must be installed on your PC in order to continue with steps 2 and 3. Step 2 is a combination of the Postbase driver and the MailOne database. Step 3 is the actual install of the MailOne software. Now that the overview is complete, let's begin the installation process. You will need to find out if you have .NET Framework 4.0 or higher. To find out, you can go to your Program and Features and look for Microsoft .NET Framework. In this example, I will be working with a Windows 7 Professional operating system. Select the Start menu, select Control Panel, select Program and Features, check to see if .NET Framework is installed. Since I have 4.0 or higher on my PC, I will move to step 2. You will need to find out what your system type is, whether it is a 32-bit or 64-bit. On my computer, I will go to the Start menu, right-click on Computer, and select Properties. Under System, look for System Type. My PC is a 64-bit. Start downloading the correct driver.